Good morning, my dear children. How are you all? Fine. Yes, good. Madam is also doing fine here. In last class, we have completed block 6. Today we will start a new block. Do you know the name of our new block? Importance of plants. Block 7, Importance of plants. From this lesson, we will identify various uses of plants. So, our aim is to identify various uses of plants. That you were left alone on an island with various types of plants like mango trees with ripe mangoes, then apple trees, palm trees, and coconut trees, and some wild plants. How can we use these plants to survive on this island? Yes, there are various things that we can get from the plants which help us to survive on this island. Good, good. For an example, we can eat the sweet mangoes and we can drink coconut water and we can live under the shade of the trees and we can use the leaves of palm trees. We can strip the palm leaves and we can use it as our mats to sit and to sleep, and we can survive on this island by making use of things that we get from the plants, right? In today's class, we will make list of things that we get from the plants. Very interesting. Okay. What are the different uses of plants? Yes, we get food from the plants. We get vegetables, cereals, pulses, etc. from the plants. Then next, what we get from plants? Yes, we get wood from the plants, and this wood is also used to make furniture, bridges and boards, and wood is also used to make fire. The flowers that we get from the plants are used to make bouquets, right? Yeah, they are used for decoration. What is the use of flowers? Flowers are used for decoration, and they also used for worshipping and making perfumes. Okay, children, from which plant we get paper? Yes, bamboo trees. Papers are made from bamboo trees. Then rubber, tire, erasers, etc. are from which plant? Yes, they are from rubber plant. Children, now we can complete the word web. Okay, uses of plants. Now we discussed about various uses of plants. Now you help me, okay, to complete this word web. Shall we write? Good. Uses of plants. Tell me the various uses of plants which we discussed. Good. Food. We get food from plants. This is the first and most important use of plant. We get food from plants. Good, good. Yes, vegetables also. We get vegetables. Then fruits. Very good. Then next, flowers we used for decoration. Then next, very good, perfume. Next, well done. We get furniture also from plants. So we can write furniture here. Furniture, furniture. Then what else you know? Yes, shade. Very good. Good observation. SHADE, shade. Then next, how do we use tulsi plants and neem plants? Yes, these plants are very helpful to cure mild diseases. So these both are medicinal plants. They have the capacity to cure mild diseases. So these two are known as medicinal plants. Okay, tulsi and neem, amla, these are all medicinal plants. So we learned the next use of plant. What was that? Medicine. Plants are also used to make medicine. So we can write it here, medicine. MEDICINE, medicine. Plants are also used to make medicine. So shall we read the uses of plants once again? Okay. Medicine, first one, medicine. What was the important use of plant? Yes, what we get from plant? The main important thing that we get from plant is food. We get food from plants like vegetables, fruits, cereals, pulses, nuts, etc. And we get furniture also from plants. We get shade from the plants. We get medicine. So we are getting many things from the plants. That is why plants are very important. Different kinds of oil are also we are getting from plants. Which are they? Very good. This oil we use to make biryani, right? What's the name of that oil? Sunflower oil. Very good. Sunflower oil. Then sesame oil. Sesame oil. Then mustard oil also we getting from plants. So 3 kinds of oil we get from plants: sunflower oil, sesame oil and mustard oil. In short, we are getting many things from the plants. Plants are inevitable for human beings to live in this world. So, are they important? Yes, the plants are very important. Children, now we can finish S1. Write the date and read the heading. Uses of plants. Uses of plants. The first one is very easy. Some pictures of plants are given in the first and the second column. The uses of plants are also given. You have to match it by drawing lines. Tulsi, jasmine, bamboo, mustard and teak. So the uses are given in the next side. Gives wood for furniture, gives oil for cooking, used to make medicine, used to make perfume, used to make paper. You know the uses of plants. For you it is very easy to complete. Okay. Then the next question, the second question, which would you want to grow? Names of 2 plants are given there, cotton plant or a mango tree. Which one you want to grow? That is your choice. You can write your own answer. If you grow a mango tree, you can get what you can get from mango tree? Yes, very good. Then if you grow a cotton plant, yeah, using cotton we are making clothes. So which one you grow? Cotton plants are giving clothes to us. Mango trees are giving mangoes to us. So which one you want to grow? That you decide, okay? And you have to write the reason also. Children, our second lesson is we need plants. We need plants. I have a riddle for you. Try to answer. Okay. I came from plants. I came from plants. You cannot live without me. You cannot live without me. You see me all day long. You cannot live without me. Who am I? Think about the use of plants. Okay, you got the answer? Yes, the food we eat every day, almost all the food we are eating is coming from the plants, right? So, without food, it is impossible to live. Can you live without eating food? How many days you can live without food? Not possible, right? Yes, we cannot live without food. Almost all the food items we are eating every day are coming from plants. So, it is impossible to live without food and impossible to live without plants. Plants are the inevitable part of our life. Plants are the inevitable part of our life. Understood? We can live without perfumes and furniture, but it is impossible to live without food. Okay. Plants give us fresh air to breathe. They give us cool shade. Plants actually hold the soil with their roots. They will not allow the wind and rain to take the soil away. Children, now you open S2 and write the date. Here we have a table to fill. Okay, I will read the question for you. Complete the table. First, we have to write the uses of plants in the first column. We cannot live without it. We can live without it, but life will be difficult. Last column, we can live without it. It is very easy to complete this table. First, you have to write the use of plants in the first column. If that use is very important, you can tick in the first column. If it is not that much important, you can tick in the second column, and in the last column, yes, if that use is not important at all, we can tick in the last column. Understood? Okay. One example is done already for you. What was the use? Written there, wood to make furniture. Wood to make furniture. Can we live without furniture? Yes, we can live without furniture. So, we didn't tick in the first column. In the second column, we can live without furniture, but the life will be very difficult. Without furniture, we can live, but life will be very difficult because we are using furniture in our day-to-day life, which is making our works very easier. Likewise, you write the various uses of plants and you can tick in the respective columns. Okay. Then the second question, why do we need plants? Why do we need plants? Various uses of plants we learn already. You can write it in sentence. Then the last question, how do plants help to prevent soil being washed away by the rain? How the plants are holding the soil? Yes, the roots of the plants helps to hold the soil. The roots does not allow the wind and rain to take the soil away. You can write it very easily, no? I told you the answer. Okay, very good. I hope you understood everything I taught today. And if you have any doubts, you can ask me. Study well, stay safe. Thank you.